Bella wakes up, sun says hi. Happy morning, blue, blue sky. Mama smiles and hugs so tight. Bella feels warm, heart so light.
Good morning, dear.
Fully. Brush and wash, day begins. Family smiles, big white grins. Breakfast on the table, bright. Eating together feels just right. Brother plays with toys, so fun. Bella joins to become one. Sister sings a lovely song. Bella claps and sings along. Out they go to the sunny park. Run and play till it gets dark. Papa pushes swing up high. Bella laughs and touches sky.
Bella listens, one more look. The fairy princess spreads her wings and magical lands.
Picnic time on green, green grass. Yummy fun moments pass.
Grandpa tells a funny tale. Bella giggles without fail.
A parrot squawks, squawk, squawk in the tree. Bella copies the sounds with glee. Buzz, buzz goes a bee on a flower. It's tiny but powerful. Pajamas on, night is near. Mama sings a song so dear. Stars shine bright, moon says goodnight. Family love feels warm and right. Bella hugs them one by one. Family time is so much fun!
Sleep tight now.
My happy family loves me.